Here's a step-by-step guide to connecting your Hisense AC to Wi-Fi. It's simple once you know what you need and how to navigate the setup. First, make sure your AC actually has built-in Wi-Fi. Check the model number on the manual or the AC itself. You'll also need a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, as these units don't work with 5 GHz networks. Have your Wi-Fi name and password ready. You'll also need the Connect Life app installed on your phone. If you're on an iPhone, get it from the App Store. For Android, go to the Play Store, search for Connect Life, download it, then log in or create a new account. Next, turn on your AC unit and make sure it's plugged in and in standby mode. Now, put it into pairing mode. This usually involves pressing and holding the Wi-Fi button on your remote, or sometimes a combo like mode plus fan. Hold it until the Wi-Fi light on your AC starts blinking. That's your signal that the AC is ready to connect. Open the Connect Life app on your phone. Tap the plus icon or add device, then choose air conditioner from the list. The app will guide you through the setup. Select your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, type in your password, and let the app scan for the AC. Once it finds the unit, it will pair automatically. You can then name your AC anything you like. From here, you can control the AC from anywhere on your phone, adjusting temperature, modes, and fan speed remotely. Quick tips: make sure your phone is on the same 2.4 GHz network during setup. Keep your phone and the AC close to your router for the initial connection. If pairing fails the first time, just restart the AC and retry in the app. Occasionally, updating the Connect Life app or adjusting your router settings can help if the connection keeps failing. For added stability, avoid using VPNs or firewalls during the setup process. Once paired, you'll enjoy full smart control, scheduling, and energy-saving features right from your phone without touching the remote. You can create custom schedules, set temperature alerts, and even integrate the AC with other smart home systems if supported, making your home more comfortable and efficient automatically.